What is up, guys? Welcome back to another Instagram tutorial. My name is Wommack, and today I'm going to show you how to recreate that Rayscorruptedmind picture taken of SHECK WES. So Rayscorruptedmind is a photographer from the USA, and he's taken this picture of SHECK WES on that basketball court with his Lamborghini. And it's not just a black and white edit, because this time it's special. We can see a little tint in the shadows, a green tint, and in the highlights we can see some red. So this is not just a black and white look. This is a really vintage kind of black and white look, and I want to show you how to recreate this look today using your smartphone and the free Lightroom app only. Now, I've also created a preset on exactly this Rayscorruptedmind inspired black and white vintage look. It's on my website. The link is under this video, and it's in that all presets pack with over 100 presets that you can just easily paste to every one of your pictures in that free Lightroom app. Now, if you have the all presets pack already, this preset is now online. Start playing around with it. If you don't, I really recommend the all presets pack, because every time I create new presets for you, they're automatically in that pack. So you just have to buy it once and you'll get new presets every week. It's a great deal. It's unique. Make sure to check it out. Link is under this video. And of course, if you haven't already, also make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notifications bell to not miss out on any of my future videos. If this is content that you're interested in, and you can always let me know what you want to see next, what video requests you have, or new ideas, or just questions in general, feel free to DM me on Instagram. At Wommack is my handle. I'm always excited to hear from you guys. And I've said enough now. Let's jump right into this edit. The first thing we'll need to do, of course, is go outside, take your picture, and then open the picture in the free Lightroom app right here. Now, I've chosen this picture, another picture of SHECK WES by Rayscorruptedmind. Same scenery. It's taken on a film camera, I suppose, but we're just gonna take care of the colors here and a little bit of the light. So I think this is the perfect base for this edit. So the first thing you want to do in the lights tab is boost up the highlights a little bit to around plus 33 in this case. Then we want to boost up the whites all the way to plus 84 to really get them glowing, and also the blacks, but this time we want to pull them down to negative 29 just to increase the contrast a little bit. Then we go over to the colors tab. What you want to do here is just pull down the temperature a little bit to negative 12 or negative 11. That will help us out later. And then the saturation, you want to pull that down all the way to negative 100 to give it that black and white look. Then we go over to the effects tab right here. What you want to do is just boost up the clarity to around plus 29 to get it really crispy. And also the dehaze, we want to boost that up to plus 21 in this case, just to add some extra contrast. And now we of course want to add a little bit of grain as well, just to give it a little more vintage vibe. So 27 is good. If you took your picture with your phone, you might want to increase the grain here even a little higher, just to get it more vintage looking. Then we scroll up and go to split toning, and now this is where the special color touch comes into this picture, so that it's not just a normal black and white vintage look. For the highlights, we want to pull over to a hue of around 35 right there, and a saturation of, in this case, 20 right here is perfect. So it's 37, 20, and we can already see that slight red tint in the highlights. I think it's perfect. Now the shadows, we want to pull over to that green yellow area to a hue of around 90, and a saturation of maybe 19 is perfect. And then we're done here. And this is it, guys. Here's a little before and after, and I think we came super close to that real picture that Rayscorruptedmind took of SHECK WES on that basketball court. I think we can really be proud of this edit, because we're only using our smartphone and the free Lightroom app, and I think we come super close to that real result that we're going for. I'm happy with this tutorial. Hope you guys are too. And of course, I've also created a preset on exactly this look. It's on my website. The link is under this video. It's in that all presets pack with over 100 presets, and every time I create new presets, they're automatically added to that all presets pack. You don't have to buy it again or anything like that. Buy it once and get all the presets from now on. I think it's a great deal. Check it out. Link is under this video. And of course, if you haven't already, also feel free to subscribe to my channel and hit the notifications bell to not miss out on any of my future content, because it could be one of your requests. If you DM me on Instagram at any time, I will try to make a video or at least explain that look to you. So thanks so much for watching. I hope I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay creative, stay healthy. Peace.